So DT exam will get over, and that DT exam day you actually will start your preparation somewhere like 7 p.m. only. 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. not more than that, because of the DT exam. Hardly this much time only you will be having, and the next day and IDT exam day. This time, last time it was amazing, they gave 3 days gap. 3 days gap they gave, but then also people did not understand what they need to do for 3 days and all. They could not know what to read. 3 days is there, 3 days is there, like that they skipped, and last day only they read. Okay, and next day we have somewhere like 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. because usually during exam and all will not be sleeping etc. and all, that much casual will not be there. You have to spend time. Then IDT exam day, literally you have 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. because thereafter you need to go to the exam hall. And IDT exam day, what you need to do is that you need to have a quick revision of time limits. Quick revision of time limits. Sir, where sir I can find? I told you already that I will be posting it here. Already I have done that. So where is it here? First one. Actually May to November there is no much difference. You can just go through this. All time limits in one place I have given. Quickly. You don't have to spend that much time. Hardly if you sit while reading itself you will know. Okay. Half an hour, not more than that it will take when you sit and read. And then monetary limits. Monetary limits. Monetary limits also is available here itself. So all the monetary limits, amounts, wherever amounts are coming, I just gave you that summary. So that also you go through. Then third, customs case law. I asked you to prepare, and one video also I posted in my YouTube, I showed you that. So that customs case law summary you prepare in 1 page, that also I will do, don't worry if you are not able to do, and that you quickly go through. Okay, so that because one case law question will be guaranteed, one question on case law for 4 marks. When you write with case name and all, 4 out of 4 you will get. Decision you will write, but case name also if you try to write you will get 4 out of 4. That's why I will give you the compiler of that Supreme Court cases. Case name try to revise, because that day you can do that only, because beyond that you cannot do anything. And then so if time permits, try to know the section numbers and rule numbers. Just to know what is the section, what is it about, okay, and rule numbers. Rule number is what is it about, because in exam we will not get an opportunity to impress. So when we get an opportunity we should definitely impress. It is like Abhimanyu impressing Bhishma, that in the first day of the war Abhimanyu fought along with Bhishma. Even though Bhishma was a big warrior, but so Abhimanyu's fighting skills impressed Bhishma that he didn't fight back, and therefore first day it was like okay, they managed. Like that sometimes our enemy we have to convince, and he should feel proud about us. So when he will feel proud about us, only when we write the section numbers and rule numbers. Okay, so we should show, even though we are not having that much insight, but show appearance should be great. What is that section number, rule number and all when you are writing? Great person. So better we will read and evaluate like that. Okay, so that is required. Then DT exam day, literally you will not be having that much time. So you try to focus on mighty 50 question and answers, because being question and answers it will be easy for you. You can just see question and its respective answer and you can do. because hardly you have 3 hours, 4 hours only, not more than that. You can complete this mighty 50. Then morning 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. First morning session 7 to 1. So quickly revise category A topics. What are the category A topics? Input tax credit. Input tax credit must. Then exemptions. Then reverse charge, that is liability to pay GST. Liability to pay GST, RCM, e-commerce operator, all those things are there now. That. Then place of supply. And next value of supply. And then demand and recovery. Offences and penalties. Refunds. Then 2 more, 9 and 10. Types of customs duty and valuation under customs. So all these category A topics, 10 topics are there as category A. You try to revise it from 7 to 1. Thereafter, afternoon onwards till night, you focus on, that is somewhere 2:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. you focus on mighty 200 questions in your solve workbook, okay, plus MCQs like that. You just be with that only, don't get deviated. While doing this solve problems and solutions, you will also read the other chapters. So when you read the other chapters, that related concept also gets brushed up, okay. So this is actually, this is the only time that you will have. You will not have beyond this. You will think that you can do everything, but you cannot. Let's come to the realistic situation. You will feel like everything, I will take all 3 resource books, I will sit and I will, no. You will read 2 chapters, then like Mahavishnu, one pose will come, then happily you will go into Yoga Nidra, okay. So practically not possible. You cannot read everything. That and all you should have read before itself. On the exam day you can't do anything. This is what practically you can do, that's why do this. Fine. All the best for your preparation. Because your preparation is good, your exam is going to be good. Correct? For exam I don't have to wish you. Because if your preparation is good, I know that you will do wonders. So all the very best for your preparation. Do well. Don't worry. Till the time you go to the exam, I am there. So whatever support you need, I will be extending my support, and whatever doubts that you have, you can post it in the Telegram. And as this batch gets completed, I have one more batch, that is fast track batch, and that fast track batch I am starting from 29th of August. If any of your friends etc. wanted to, like they could not complete IDT portion, if they want to join, you can please refer to them and they can attend the fast track batch, which is starting from 29th August up to 11th of September, just like 11 days only, morning 9 to evening 6 o'clock. You can refer, so that if they have not completed the portion, already they purchased some lectures or already they are doing, means not required, they can do it freely, rocket revision itself they can come. So no need to spend money. If they have not at all attended any lectures etc. and all, please advise them to come and join this. Then next thing, thereafter I am actually free, relatively free. So during the batch timings alone, I may not be able to reply your queries as soon as possible, but other times I will reply to all your queries in the Telegram. So post your queries. If you are not able to type, at least post the voice message, whatever doubt that you have, I will listen to that and I will reply to your queries, okay. Then one more information I wanted to share with you, that is, so you please pass on this information to your juniors, those who are going to appear for May 25, November 25 etc. so that we have made a combo of all the subjects. So FR by one faculty named Chiranjeev Jain sir, recently he took the revision with us, and so many students said the classes were good, etc. and all. He will be available with us for FR, both regular batch and exam oriented batch. Then Dinesh Jain sir for AFM. So Dinesh Jain sir also sooner he will be coming and taking classes here for exam oriented batch, and his Google Drive is already available for AFM. And then for DT, BB sir, from quite a long time I have been associated with him, so his lectures are available, and IDT I am there, and auditing we have multiple options also. Okay, so therefore these 5 subjects individually if they buy, to combo if they buy, they will get 10 to 15% less, so that you please advise them, so that at what 30 to 35,000 rupees they will get all the subjects. Okay, so all 5 subjects, they don't have to spend 50,000, 60,000 and all. So no need to spend that much money actually. So it in combo actually discount will be available to them, so they can get benefited. Okay, so please pass on this message so that they will get benefited and they don't have to spend that much money. And I don't know when I will be meeting you, but whenever I am meeting you, I have to meet you wherein you should have a smile in your face and you should tell me that I completed, sir. Okay, done? Until that point of time, don't meet, please. Please don't meet, and I don't want to see your dirty faces in any other batch hereafter. I am cursing you that you all should complete CA in this attempt. Okay, blessing will not work, curse will work, you understood? So I am cursing you all that you should definitely complete CA, come into the industry and suffer a lot. Okay, that is a curse for you. So fine, thank you, and so whatever support you need, just ping me in the Telegram, I am there for you. Okay, take care, bye. That I will post it in the YouTube as well as in your drive. In your backup drive, see actually there are many amendments, like a flood it is coming pa. Let me compile everything, and by October all the amendments will be over. October last week I will post in your Google Drive whatever backup that has been given to you, amendments video I will post. Okay.